In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix problem occurred error on Prime Video on PC. Let's get started. First thing you should do is make sure your Amazon Prime membership is active. To check that, click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now click on the option account and settings. Here, navigate to this section of subscription. Check your account status and confirm that your membership is still valid before moving on to the next step. If your subscription is active, the next thing is to try clearing your browser cache and browsing data. To do that, navigate to the Amazon website, then click on three dots given at the top right. Select the option Settings. Go to the option Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings. Click on View Permission. Here, search for Prime Video. Once it appears, click on the trash icon and delete it. If the issue continues, check whether you are connected to a VPN or proxy service. For that, navigate to this section of extension. From here, you can temporarily disable it or completely remove it. If the solution didn't work out for you, next thing you want to do is check the server status of Prime Video. So launch your preferred browser, type in Prime Video server status. Navigate to the website down detector. Now if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from their end. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.